This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Motorola phone. So maybe you want to go ahead and resell this or something like that. So if the phone is turned on, just hold down the power button and the volume down button. And then when the phone turns off, let go for a second and then press those down again. So let's hold both these down just like this. And then when the screen goes black, let's go ahead and just let go. And it should turn off now. I'm going to let go for a second and then press those two buttons down again, volume down and power button. And then we can see we have the option to boot into the recovery mode. Press the power button. So maybe you can't log on or in or something like that. The locked password, you forgot it. And then we can go on down to the power button and the volume up button if it says no command. Tap the power button, hold down the power button and tap the volume up button. And then go on down to where it says wipe data and factory reset right there. Go to that option and then you can factory reset your phone. So I'm not going to go to this option now, but just use the volume up and the volume down and then the power button to select it. And then you can factory reset your phone and then you can resell it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.